Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Panasonic RZ-B310 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth or not pairing with your device, or if you're getting sound out of only one ear, the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is if you're just trying to get a fresh start with these earbuds, you want to delete the pairing history so you can set them up like a new set of earbuds, we can go ahead and do this. We just need to put the earbuds back in the charging case, and then with the earbuds back in the charging case, in the cradle, we're just going to find on the back of the case the button in the middle of the back of the case, and we're just going to quickly press that button 5 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what will happen is the status indicator on the front, keep an eye on this, this will flash in orange 3 times and then it will go off, indicating that the reset is complete. Then you can go ahead, delete these earbuds off of whatever device you've used them on in the past and go ahead and set them up as a new set of earbuds.